video, and this time it is very exciting. The Voice finale episode, and it is Sofronio Vasquez performance, A Million Dreams from The Greatest Showman. Let's get
go,
started.
guys! Energetic!
Yes.
Be passionate, guys. I have to do the
Sofronio
reaction video
Vasquez.
because I love
Wow, it looks so cool,
it.
man.
Man, it's wow.
Wow. Oh.
He got a really
Wow.
nice vocal, guys.
Yes.
I have to admit.
Honestly, wow. Damn, man. Wow.
Look at the backdrop. I love this.
Like really
Is this
the backdrop,
or-
yes,
or
this is the stage and this is the backlighting and everything. It's so cool. It's looking like something else.
yeah, man.
Really good.
Jimmy, it's more like a path to the heaven.
Yeah. Wow, just
Wow.
look. Wow, just look. It's like coming from his ears, the black
Yeah.
things. Wow, this is so nice. Wow. Wow. That is a light.
Yeah.
That is a light, and that's the background, and that's the stage. It's mixing together.
I don't know how.
Wow,
they do
it's
it.
mixing
How they do
together.
it? I don't know.
It's mixing together. Wait. He's standing on it. Probably. Yes, he's standing on.
Look like he's sinking.
He's sinking.
What is this?
I think it is a project, live project actually. They just project the
Output.
output. Yeah, it means it's a hologram kind of thing.
Ah.
That's why.
It's a hollow. He looks
Yeah.
like he's sinking, bro.
Yeah,
What?
and
Wow.
also the. Okay.
It's not a hologram. There is a shadow. Holograms don't have shadows.
I think they use some fog and also yeah.
Yeah, that can
Fog.
possible. Liquid nitrogen can work like that.
Yeah. It's a laser light.
Oh wow.
Okay, 3D laser light.
Yeah.
Right now they are using it. Okay.
Wow.
Loved
It's so pretty.
Yeah. He got a very nice vocal, man.
Wow. Oh, that's fog, yeah.
Yeah. Ooh.
Literally the way he marched from the back to the
Yeah.
front and those people came in the play, it's really
I thought it's a real place, you know?
Yeah.
I just
wow. Wow. Oh,
Ooh.
wow. Wow.
This is impressive, man.
Wow.
Dude, how it
It's-
is
Just feel it, bro.
Yeah,
wow,
man.
this is so good, man. He's singing so good. That high note was.
Yeah, impressive.
Of course, he deserved to be in the finale. Oh,
Let's go.
look at his smile.
Press the buzzer.
Face the buzzer, guys.
It's the finale. Nobody would play the buzzer.
Oh, they are just watching. Yeah.
They are watching.
Yeah. The final performance.
Wow.
This is the winner. I
In my
declare
heart.
that this is the winner, guys.
Wow. And
He
the
has lots of
fireworks.
capability.
Wow.
Loved it.
It's like he's in the beat with those lights, man.
Whoa.
Wow.
I can feel it.
Awesome, man. This is
What a
awesome.
performance
Okay,
from the
let's.
Voice finale from NBC.
Oh. Wow. The last note.
Actually, it's from the
He's
Greatest
crying.
Showman, a movie
He's
based
crying.
on a circus.
He's crying.
Wow, so good.
Wow, this was really nice, man.
Yeah.
Wow, like which the voice
Which
city
country? I
is-
think the
was
UK.
it? Yeah, I think UK, NBC. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was like really good. Like with the lighting, it was
Yeah.
mesmerizing. His voice was amazing. So of course, this was really great.
really great.
Really great. Do you have anything to comment on it?
He just loved it. That's it.
We loved it. Thank you so much for still watching. If you're still watching, do like, share, and comment down
also-
below, and also subscribe because we are very close to hit 20,000 subscribers. So
Yeah.
do
Bye bye.
subscribe, and I'll see you in the next day. Till then, bye bye.